Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Ev. Today's video is my small closet makeover. So what I'll be doing is taking everything out and reorganizing. So I'll show you guys in this video step by step how you guys can clean your closet as well.
So I'm going to be using the KONMARI method to tackle the closet today. So the first step we're going to do is take everything out of the closet, and we'll call this looking at the full picture. So looking at the full picture means everything comes out of the closet to see all the things that you have, and then we're going to declutter, organize, and put everything back where it goes.
Covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn.
So here's a look at everything that was in the closet. So we're gonna go ahead and start tackling this. So as I'm going through these clothes, I'm actually creating 3 piles, and I'll show you these 3 piles in just a second. So for my first pile, these are the clothes that I'm putting up for summer, so I'm actually going to take those to the storage building. And then the second pile is the clothes that I'm putting back into the closet, and then the third pile is the clothes that I'm actually going to be giving away. So if it's something that you haven't worn in 90 days or more, I would definitely suggest giving it away, or at least putting it in the storage building for 6 months or so. And if you notice that you don't have to come back to it, definitely give it away after that time period. So as you see, the items that I'll be using today is the non-slip hangers that I just purchased from Target, along with the hanging organizer that I'll be using to organize my shoes. Another important step when organizing and decluttering is to always clean as you go. Tidying up as you go is the key, just because it can get very overwhelming if things become messy whenever you're organizing. So there's a tip for you guys. So next I'm going to work on the items that are going back into the closet. So I'm just going to place them on the hanger, and then we'll place them back into the closet. When hanging up my clothes, I don't necessarily color coordinate my shirts. However, I do categorize them by work, home, and on the weekend. So home, for work, we actually have a uniform. Then for home is like my basic t-shirts for when I get home from work. And then for the weekend is more of like the dressier clothes. So that's pretty much how I organize my clothes that I hang up. So next I took a little bit of a detour and started working on the clothes, and then I started working on the jewelry along with the electronics. So I want to show you guys this cord organizer. If you guys don't have one, I would definitely suggest investing in one. It's very helpful with keeping up with all of your cords, along with keeping them organized. And I've noticed that they do have one on Amazon. So if you want something like that, you can definitely check it out there. So for all my tops, I hang those up, and then for my bottoms, I'm just going to fold them up. So it's just like my pants, my work pants, my pajama shorts and things like that. So I'm actually using the KONMARI folding method. I want to say that I am an amateur at this, so I'm still learning, but it turned out very well. It's supposed to definitely help save space. And I do want to mention that I am a minimalist when it comes to clothes. But however, if you are decluttering and organizing, these are the same. You can use the exact same steps if you have a lot more than I have, or if you also have less. So these steps are helpful for either way. So I purchased this cube organizer at Walmart. So I'm sort of using it as like a built-in wall shelf for your closet. And then at the bottom, it was actually a TV wall mount that didn't work out so well. So I actually just use it for my sweatshirts along with my shoes. So I love repurposing items. So yeah. Here's a tip for you guys. If you have something that you feel like you don't need in your house, you can always repurpose it for another reason and make use of it to where it's brand new.
I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save.
If you are liking this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe and like this video. I post 2 videos weekly on cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle. So if you like those kind of things, you'll definitely love it here. So this is my last pile of clothes that I'm going to tackle, and then I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the bedroom, and I'll speed that up for you guys.
Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano.
So here's how everything turned out. I would like for you to let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed decluttering, reorganizing this small bedroom closet with me, and I hope it gives you some motivation to get some things done today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I look a mess, and you tell me